Straight second, yeah.
Bam, 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Colonel.
We just watched the fucking train go by. That is fucking epic, Brian.
We're gonna keep this.
Look, hold on.
Bro, look at that Buick.
Hold that penny up to the camera. This is, look at what the fuck. We put this on the track, and
The train only smashed some of it.
I know, right? It was like it's like paper now. It's a paper penny now. Although it's a real penny, so what the fuck? But oh look at that rock. That's big. Anyway. Anyway, we are now going to do it this way. We're gonna walk along the side of this damn train. So, yeah, we just watched the train go by. It was long. I'm gonna post that video a little bit later, but still.
Surprised it didn't have a nothing later than
I know. I know. The one time I actually filmed a train.
The first thing that hit my mind when we saw this thing in the arcade area is like, that'd be cool if the train was going by. We could put it on the track when we do it.
I know, right?
And it's usually hard to find things when you put them on the track.
I know. That's kind of freaky. We have found a piece of the train.
Nope.
That's a piece of the tracks.
And when they replace the old ones, they just take those years back in.
Yeah, I know. But, oh wait, dude, we can't go far.
Yeah, we can.
No, I mean, because I still gotta get home.
Dude, it's going. Not even fit. It was 5 minutes till.
Well, yeah, that's true. Oh, shit. These are bumpy. So, fucking, there's gotta be something. Whoa, shit. These fuckers are fucking bumpy, man. Yeah, I know, right? Those fucking train tracks were literally bending. And I mean bending. Those are